Question number 1. Which of the following is the plant important in sericulture? ৰেচম শিল্পত প্ৰাসংগিক গছ হৈছে The correct answer is option D. Mulberry. Question number 2. What is laughing gas? Laughing gas কি? The correct answer is option A. Nitrous oxide. Question number 3. Who first discovered the noble gas? নোবেল গেছ প্ৰথমে কোনে আৱিষ্কাৰ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D. William Ramsay. Question number 4. Light year is the unit of আলোকবৰ্ষ কিহৰ একক? The correct answer is option A. Distance. Question number 5. The green planet in the solar system is সৌৰজগতৰ সেউজীয়া গ্ৰহটো হ'ল The correct answer is option B. Uranus. Question number 6. Which fabric is made from purely natural sources? কোনটো কাপোৰ বিশুদ্ধ প্ৰাকৃতিক উৎসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A. Silk. Question number 7. Which plant has only one edible part? তলৰ কোনবিধ উদ্ভিদৰ মাত্ৰ এটা অংশ খাব পাৰি? The correct answer is option A. Radish. Question number 8. Which of the following is a major component of energy giving food? তলৰ কোনটো শক্তিদায়ক খাদ্যৰ এটা প্ৰধান উপাদান? The correct answer is option B. Carbohydrate. Question number 9. Which of the following is a transparent material? তলৰ কোনটো স্বচ্ছ সামগ্ৰী? The correct answer is option C. Glass. Question number 10. Which type of change is the rusting of iron? লুট মামৰে ধৰা কোন ধৰণৰ পৰিৱৰ্তন? The correct answer is option B. Irreversible change. Question number 11. Which material is necessary to prevent bodily weakness? শৰীৰৰ দুৰ্বলতা ৰোধ কৰিবলৈ কোনবোৰ সামগ্ৰীৰ প্ৰয়োজন? The correct answer is option A. Iron. Question number 12. Which organism uses bristle under its body for movement? কোনটো জীৱই গতিৰ বাবে শৰীৰৰ তলৰ ব্ৰিষ্টল ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে? The correct answer is option A. Earthworm. Question number 13. What is the process of collecting and storing of rainwater called? বৰষুণৰ পানী সংগ্ৰহ আৰু সংৰক্ষণ প্ৰক্ৰিয়া কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option B. Rainwater harvesting. Question number 14. Which of the following is an omnivore? তলৰ কোনটো সৰ্বভোজী? The correct answer is option A. Crow. Question number 15. In which time of the day will our shadow be the shortest in summer? দিনটোৰ কোনটো সময়ত আমাৰ ছাঁটো গৰমৰ দিনত আটাইতকৈ চুটি হয়? The correct answer is option C. 12 noon. Question number 16. What is the main nutrient present in rice? ভাতত উপস্থিত প্ৰধান পুষ্টিকৰ উপাদান কি? The correct answer is option C. Carbohydrate. Question number 17. By which process does reproduction of yeast take place? কোনটো প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰ দ্বাৰা ইষ্টৰ প্ৰজনন ঘটে? The correct answer is option A. Budding. Question number 18. Which one of the following is an example of natural indicator extracted from lichens? তলৰ কোনটো লাইকেনৰ পৰা উলিওৱা প্ৰাকৃতিক সূচকৰ উদাহৰণ? The correct answer is option B. Litmus. Question number 19. What is the name of the process of taking out threads from the cocoon for use as silk? ৰেচম হিচাপে ব্যৱহাৰৰ বাবে লেটা গুটিৰ পৰা সূতা উলিয়াই লোৱা প্ৰক্ৰিয়াটোৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option C. Reeling the silk. Question number 20. In which organ of our body the absorption of the digested food takes place? আমাৰ শৰীৰৰ কোনটো অংগত হজম হোৱা খাদ্যৰ শোষণ সংঘটিত হয়? The correct answer is option B, small intestine. Question number 21. Who discovered magnet? চুম্বক কোনে আৱিষ্কাৰ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Magnus. Question number 22. Which of the following is used as a lubricant? তলৰ কোনটো lubricant হিচাপে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, graphite. Question number 23. The green planet in the solar system is সৌৰজগতৰ সেউজীয়া গ্ৰহটো হ'ল? The correct answer is option B, Uranus. Mars is known as the red planet. Venus is known as the evening star or morning star or Earth's twin. Earth and Neptune are both known as the blue planet. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a non-metallic mineral? তলৰ কোনটো অধাতুৰ খনিজ নহয়? The correct answer is option C, bauxite. Question number 25. Which of the following does saliva in our mouth help to break down? আমাৰ মুখত থকা লালতীয়ে নিম্নলিখিত কোনটোৰ বিভংগনত সহায় কৰে? The correct answer is option A, starch. Question number 26. Which organ of human body stores bile juice? মানুহৰ শৰীৰৰ কোনটো অংগই পিত্তৰ ৰস জমা কৰে? The correct answer is option B, gallbladder. Question number 27. What is the intensity of sound in normal conversation? সাধাৰণ কথা বতৰাত শব্দৰ তীব্ৰতা কিমান? The correct answer is option D, 60 decibel. Question number 28. Which gas is responsible for global warming? গোলকীয় উষ্ণতাৰ বাবে কোনটো গেছ দায়ী? The correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 29. Which is the cause for loss of vision? দৃষ্টিশক্তি হেৰুৱাৰ কাৰণ কোনটো? The correct answer is option C, vitamin A. Question number 30. How many poles does a magnet have? চুম্বকত কিমান মেৰু থাকে? The correct answer is option D, 2. A magnet has 2 poles, a north pole and a south pole. The poles are the ends of the magnet. Question number 31. Which acid is found in vinegar? ভিনেগাৰত কোনটো এচিড পোৱা যায়? The correct answer is option A, acetic acid. Question number 32. Which organ of human body completely digests the fat? মানুহৰ শৰীৰৰ কোনটো অংগই চৰ্বি সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে হজম কৰে? The correct answer is option C, small intestine. Question number 33. The metal that can be cut with a knife is কটাৰীৰে কাটিব পৰা ধাতু হ'ল? The correct answer is option A, sodium. Question number 34. The microbe that causes tuberculosis is a যক্ষ্মা ৰোগ সৃষ্টি কৰা অনুজীৱটো হ'ল? The correct answer is option C, bacteria. The bacteria that causes tuberculosis is called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 35. If the pH of a liquid is 5.0, then the liquid is যদি কোনো তৰল পদাৰ্থৰ pH 5.0 হয় তেন্তে তৰল পদাৰ্থটো হয়? The correct answer is option D, acidic in nature. The pH scale measures how acidic or a basic a substance is. The scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. A pH less than 7 indicates acidity, while a pH greater than 7 indicates a base. Question number 36. Which of the following belongs to class 1 category of liver? তলৰ কোনটো লিভাৰৰ প্ৰথম শ্ৰেণীৰ অন্তৰ্গত? The correct answer is option A, Caesar. Examples of first class liver: scissors, seesaw, crowbar, tongs, tweezers, human arm, etc. Examples of class 2 lever: wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener, nail clippers, etc. Examples of class 3 lever: broom, fishing rod, elbow joint, knife, stapler, etc. Question number 37. What is the chemical symbol for silver? রূপর রাসায়নিক চিহ্ন কি? The correct answer is option A, Ag. Question number 38. Which of the following is considered as the powerhouse of an animal cell? তলৰ কোনটোক প্ৰাণী কোষৰ শক্তিৰ ভঁৰাল বুলি গণ্য কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option D, mitochondria. Question number 39. Which of the following scale is used to measure earthquakes? ভূমিকম্প জুখিবলৈ তলৰ কোনটো স্কেল ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Richter scale. Question number 40. Which of the following element is most needed to make protein by plant? উদ্ভিদ অনুসৰি প্ৰটিন তৈয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ তলৰ কোনটো মৌলৰ প্ৰয়োজন বেছি? The correct answer is option A, nitrogen. Question number 41. What is the range of a laboratory thermometer to measure temperature? উষ্ণতা জুখিবলৈ পৰীক্ষাগাৰৰ থাৰ্মোমিটাৰৰ পৰিসৰ কিমান? The correct answer is option A, from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Question number 42. What is the second stage of life cycle of silk moth called? পাট পলুৰ জীৱন চক্ৰৰ দ্বিতীয় পৰ্যায়ক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option B, caterpillar. The life cycle of a silk moth has 4 stages: egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa and moth. Question number 43. Which type of teeth is used for piercing and tearing food? খাদ্য বিন্ধা আৰু ফালিবলৈ কোন ধৰণৰ দাঁত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option B, canine. Humans have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors are used to bite into food and cut it into smaller pieces. Canines are used to tear and rip tough food. Premolars are used to crush and tear food. Molars are used to crush and grind food. Question number 44. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? কোনটো ভিটামিনৰ অভাৱত beriberi হয়? The correct answer is option A, vitamin B1. Question number 45. Fishes respire through মাছে শ্বাস প্ৰশ্বাস লয়. The correct answer is option A, gills. Question number 46. Radioactivity was first discovered by তেজস্ক্ৰিয়তা প্ৰথমে আৱিষ্কাৰ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Henry Becquerel. Question number 47. The theory of relativity was put forth by আপেক্ষিকতাবাদৰ তত্ত্বটো উত্থাপন কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, Albert Einstein. Question number 48. In which of the following is nitrogen not present? তলৰ কোনটোত নাইট্ৰজেন নাই? The correct answer is option B, fats. Question number 49. Which among the following is known as white vitriol? তলৰ কোনটোক white vitriol বুলি জনা যায়? The correct answer is option B, zinc sulfate. Question number 50. The gas used for artificial ripening of green fruit is? সেউজীয়া ফল কৃত্ৰিমভাৱে পকিবলৈ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা গেছ হ'ল? The correct answer is option A, ethylene.